Warm and cool contrasts can transform ordinary images into visually rich works of art, and this workflow will guide you step by step how to create warm highlights and cool shadows. Open Photoshop and load your photo on a new canvas around 2000 pixels. Convert the layer to a smart object, then add a gradient map adjustment layer. Select warm tones for highlights and cooler tones for shadows, adjusting sliders so the transitions are smooth. Reduce opacity for subtlety and use a soft brush on the layer mask to fine-tune areas where the toning should be lighter. Add a curves adjustment to enhance depth and contrast, keeping the color temperature harmonious across the image.